What's up guys, Sal here. So today a tweet taken by esports player Alessandro Polverini included a photo of someone holding what could very well be the OnePlus 5T. Check out the thinner bezels compared to the OnePlus 5 that happens to be right next to the new model. Considering that Polverini's esports team is sponsored by OnePlus, this image of the OnePlus 5T appears to be legit. The photo was taken during an event being held during this week's Paris Game Week that runs through this coming Sunday. In a post on the OnePlus forums, founder and CEO Pete Lu not only confirmed the device's existence but also confirmed that the 5T will in fact include a headphone jack. The post explains why keeping the 3.5mm headphone jack is so important for consumers, including audio quality and user freedom. Also, OnePlus tweeted this image showing us 5 OnePlus branded cups of tea. So basically confirming that the company's upcoming phone is indeed gonna be called the OnePlus 5T and not the OnePlus 6. You gotta give them props for this. That's very creative. Anyways, the 5T is gonna launch in mid-November, so make sure to subscribe for all the coverage and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.